Grand Rising, Grand Rising. It's Labor Day, Monday morning. This one's actually closing up. It's closing up. I didn't actually get to come out here last night because it was raining last night. All night it rained. And I just called myself pollinating this one. I don't know if it's going to take because of the rain. So the rain kind of ruined it. I wanted to get some videos of this one pollinating. It's closing up. So, but it is what it is. We're going to walk down here. And we're going to go to the next one. And here it is. Hopefully we'll see this one pollinate. That's starting to grow. That's a new one. Getting bigger. That's to pollinate in the next week or so. We're going to go down to this one. Then I also missed the pollination because of the rain. Here it is. It pollinated last night too, and it's almost all the way closed. I was able to stick some pollen in the tip of it to try to get it pollinated. Different variety right here. A different variety. So hopefully this one will pollinate. I wanted to get a good picture of this one because it's a different color when it opens up than the other one, the American Beauty. So I missed that because of the rain too. So, but hopefully we'll get this one when it opens up, and then hopefully it's not raining. Hopefully it's not raining, and I'll get that variety, this different variety opening up. And hopefully this one I just showed you below, I try to pollinate it, but it's closing up. Hopefully it pollinates and gives me a fruit. But when it rains and it's raining at night and dragon fruit only open at night, it's hard to get out here and get them pollinated like you should. Have a nice Monday.